it is. Told you, it's all overhead. That's the FedEx one, I believe. Now I've gotten off the block where I was. Let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know if this thing is showing the stop sign where I got up there. Anyway, where you see the cross traffic going is where I made a left turn. I went down the street. I'm all the way down here again. I'm moving forward, not moving back. And you can see the aircraft is trying to move with me. It's 7:01 p.m. I've already documented 3 aircrafts already on this video of how their patterns are following literally right over my head. There's no aircraft before, and then there's none after. All the aircrafts come directly overhead. Now, if that ain't some FBI foolish stalking, I don't know what you call it. So the last time I recorded it was 6:56, I believe, and it was 7:01. So that's about 4 or 5 minutes they waited. Probably because I turned the corner, so they had to readjust their little flight pattern to try to match my walking, which is insane, right? But that's how worthless these hoes are. They go to great lengths just to be dumb. Great lengths. Just to stalk one person. Now here's the next one. See? It's 7:05. Or is that 7:03? Now I've walked all the way from the end of this block. That's how far I've walked. And this is how these aircrafts, like I said, are following. Stalking. There's a difference between stalking and following. They have an unhealthy obsession with me, and just like I said before,